Like, it's giving Scalpiana. What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing this wig, this beautiful wig. I got this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you'd like to see all the steps and how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. So this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is how it came from the mail. It included this mesh bag with a bunch of goodies in it, like a rat tail comb, some eyelashes, some earrings, a wig cap, and here is the wig. It's inside of a plastic bag with a net over it like usual. So this is the lace, and it does have your adjustable straps in the back along with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. So yeah, let's just get into bleaching this. To bleach it, I'm going to be using my Salon Care 40 Volume Developer. And I'm also going to be using my Clairol Powder Lightener. And this is the blue one. We're just going to apply a good amount, not pressing too hard onto the lace. After we've got the bleach and stuff rinsed out, we're going to start plucking our wig. And I like to pluck the hair while it's kind of wet or damp because it just makes it so much easier to pluck. So I actually got this white towel method from Arrogant Tay's masterclass. And y'all want to be careful not to pluck too much in the same spot so you won't have like a bald spot. So this is what she looks like so far. We're not going to do too much. So to prep my lace, I'm going to be spraying it with my Ebin Tinted Lace Hairspray, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just using this so the lace can match closer to my skin complexion. And then we let this dry all the way through. You want it to dry completely. So today we're going to be actually using a whole new type of glue. We're going to be using Bold Hold's Liquid Gold Hair Glue. And this isn't really like a hair glue, it's more so like an adhesive. Like I can take a shower and then my wig will slide off. It's like got to be and all that other stuff. So I'm just going to apply it to my edges and brush it back, and then I'm going to blow dry my edges on cool. You want to make sure you're blow drying on cool every single time. You don't want to use anything on hot because that'll change the whole chemistry of the actual adhesive that you're using. So you want to try to keep your body temperature cool and the blow dryer cool as well. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and proceed with the bald cap method.
If you're broken in my business, then just shut up. I invested in my body, bitch, I'm done up. I look good, I like to fuck, I'm when the sun up. Put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. And I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safer. Candy on my body, but my feet is in bodega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about a hair in this motherfucker. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
And I'm still blow drying it on cool here.
Hey yo, I Put on my jewelry just to suck my nigga off. Fingers on his balls like I'm about to tell him cough. How long I got you can't give it to him. Then you gotta take that shit back. You gotta pop them shit like that fashion. I put on my jewelry just to go out by the pool. Then I keep it with me in case somebody at the fool. Gucci on my coochie, I'ma make these niggas roll. Higher than them.
And now that when that's fully dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And be careful not to cut yourself.
You just to run up. Put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. And I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safer. Candy on my body, but my feet is in bodega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a lot of hate in this motherfucker. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
Then I grabbed a little bit of glue on my index finger and I rubbed it along those loose pieces to help those lay down flat.
Shit, my wrist game on cold. I might do my coupe right just to match with my toes. Hey yo, Bia, I just been the block, all these bitches wanna be ya. Probably cause my waist gone any long here. Well, I ain't talking cars, going here, don't care. You know, twin seater, you tell me right? Pissy, tipsy, I fuck them like porn stars. And playing basketball for my bitches is all stars. Got Gucci on my wrist cause I'm richer than most bars. Young niggas bitches stripping and send them a postcard. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. Then I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safer. Candy on my body, but my feet is in bodega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about a hate in this motherfucker. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. You keep me run no bullshit, that bullshit get old. You keep me run no bullshit, these hoes get too old. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator, and I think this is in the shade 17. I'll double check and leave it down below in the description box to be sure. But I'm just using the darker shade all over my hairline to tint the cap again some more. So now that everything is done, I'm going to apply my wig like so. So I'm going to clamp the hair out of the way while I work on the lace. And I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections so it can be a little easier to work with. So I'm going to apply the bold hold onto my skin again. What I like about this glue, you don't have to clean the skin off with alcohol. And for like a proper install like usual, you can just put it right on top of your makeup, making it easy peasy lemon squeezy. You feel me? So we're just going to repeat that all over the hairline, remembering to blow dry on cool. As I was blow drying, I realized I forgot to cut the ear tabs, so I'm going to cut off those ear tabs before we get in too deep. And so now that we have our unit glued on mainly, we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace now. This isn't the whole lace, just the extra lace. So here I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part, and we went along with a middle part. So while you're hot combing the extra flyaway hairs back, you can go ahead and hold that excess lace to help you with that hot combing process. Look at those highlights, y'all. I know y'all see them busting. Okay, so now that that's all done, I'm going to go in with my wrap strip and I'm going to tie my hair down for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going in with an elastic band on top of that for that extra laidness. And while that's being tied down, I'm going to go ahead with my wax stick and we're going to hot comb the rest of my frontal just for the flat look. We just like flat hair. Now we're going to take off that wax strip. So I'm going in with my razor. I'm going to use this razor to help cut off the excess lace. And we want to get as close as possible as we can without cutting ourselves. You don't want to cut yourselves, y'all. So if you have any other pieces lifting up, you can just add some more liquid gold onto it and just lay it down just like so. I love how fast the liquid gold actually dries down. You don't have to wait a long time at all. So now I'm going to prepare for my baby hairs. I'm just taking out a little bit. We don't want them too dramatic now. I'm just going to twist them out of the way. And then after we've twisted them out of the way, I'm going in with my hot comb to hot comb that hair back. And this just helps for that illusion of the scalp look like for real. Like it's going to give so much scalp. And you don't have to do this. I just do it because I like to. But I'm hot combing the baby hairs towards the front so they can lay. But once I put my wrap strip around it, it's going to lay anyway. So this part right here is actually really optional. You don't have to do this. And you won't have to burn yourself like I just did. So after that, I'm going in with my Straight Request Hair Flex hairspray. And this is the hairspray that slayedbyjordan uses all the time on his channel. And this hairspray is the truth. So I'm just going to use this to spray where I just hot combed and hot comb it back again. And after that, we're going to wrap her up for about 10 more minutes and boom. Look, laid, okay? I know y'all wanted to probably see me doing my baby hairs, but I accidentally lost that footage. So if you guys would like to see a video of me how I style my baby hairs, like this video and I'll have that coming right up for you all. So this is how the hair looks. I really like how the hair is a brown shade versus black with the highlights. It gives the hair like a really nice dimension to it. Check out the scalp, y'all. Look at the scalp. What lace? What lace? Yes, it's giving. Hey, so baddies, this is like almost a week later. First of all, let's get into the bold hole glue. She is the truth. Y'all need to get y'all some. I can't wait till the full-size bottle gets back in stock. Okay, so like I said, this is a week later. As you can see, lace is still very much intact. No lifting, no budging, nothing, no complaints. I just touch up my baby hairs and go. But I don't think I could touch these up anymore too much. So that's why I said a week. I'm about to take this out. But it was the Bold Hold liquid gold I was using, not the actual glue. So that's why I'm so shocked that my hair has been holding up like this, because I wasn't using an actual glue, you know? I was using like an adhesive. But I just wanted to check in, show you guys how this hair looks straight. It's really cute straight in the legs. Show y'all how she's looking. So I really like this wig. I do wish it was a bit thicker, so that like when you curl it, it looks nice and full, you know, like it gives it the big nice curls, you know, the superstar curls, the Kim K curls, you know what I'm talking about? That's the kind of look I like, but you really can't get that with this. And then I do wish that this parting space was a little deeper, like on the sides. Like, I don't know if y'all could see that, but that's the track. So you really can't do side parts. You'll have to do like one of these kinds. Ooh, but you see the part? It's like right there. It's kind of close to the frontal area. But other than that, this is the perfect summer wig. The highlights, the fact that it's not all the way black, it's like brown, like a nice chocolate brown. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, it's giving Scalpiana. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install video. If you guys have any other recommendations and ideas, let me know down below. And until next time, baddies, bye.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been?